Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play YouTube on PS Portal. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is fully powered on and connected to a stable internet connection. The PS Portal acts as a remote viewer for your PS5, so the console needs to be active. You'll also need to have the YouTube application installed on your PlayStation 5. This setup ensures a smooth streaming experience. Next, power on your PlayStation Portal device. Navigate through the initial setup to connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. It's crucial that both your PS5 and PS Portal are on the same network for the best connection. Once connected, the portal will guide you through linking to your PlayStation 5. A strong Wi-Fi signal, ideally 5 GHz, will provide the clearest picture and most responsive controls. With your PlayStation Portal successfully linked, you're ready to launch YouTube. On your PlayStation 5 console, simply open the YouTube application as you normally would. You will immediately see the YouTube interface mirrored on your PlayStation Portal screen. From there, use the portal's integrated controls, including the joysticks and buttons, to browse, select, and play any video you wish. It's just like using your PS5 directly. For the best YouTube viewing experience on your PS Portal, consider a few tips. Keep your PlayStation 5 console relatively close to your Wi-Fi router. Using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band can significantly improve streaming quality and reduce any lag. Also, closing any other demanding applications or games on your PlayStation 5 will free up system resources, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable video playback on your portal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.